Welcome to another New Makeup Monday. I am going to try, keyword there is try, to upload these videos every Monday from now on. Monday is the beginning of the week, and what a great way to start it with rounding off the past week's new makeup releases. Let's get started. So Etude is collaborating with Disney with their Tsum collection. Y'all, I personally have a Tsum of my own. It may or may not be Spider-Man. But anyways, to the makeup. The packaging is so cute. The makeup is so soft. From all these swatches online, it follows a lot of Asian makeup trends. Urban Decay is coming out with their Lash Freak mascara. And not gonna lie, that wand looks very similar to a very scary plant. That's all I wrote down. Don't know when this is coming out yet. Holo Taco by Simply Nailogical is coming out with their rainbow collection. That magenta color is screaming my name. I watched the full swatch video and info video. She reiterated that she didn't want to market it as a Pride collection. She also shared that she donated at her own accord. e.l.f. is coming out with their Retro Paradise collection. These colors seem a little light and washed out. That body oil though, very reminiscent of the classic rotisserie chicken look that I always reference on my channel. Morphe is coming out with a collaboration with Coca-Cola. Honestly, when I initially saw the product shots, I thought it would be another small indie brand collaborating with a non-makeup related brand of some sort. There's a lot of silvers and reds, and what intrigued me were the sponges. Morphe sponges are my go-to. Patrick Ta, quite a famous Asian makeup artist, is introducing the Major Headlines collection. It's very neutral. There's a ton of lipsticks, lip crayons, and cream and powder blush duos. You can recreate some of his iconic looks on celebrities. Lvndr, I think is how you say this. Lvndr Beautique is coming out with their Bestie collection of lashes. I just want to say that I love the packaging. I love how vibrant the purple is and how hollow and shiny it is on the inside, so it really caught my attention. I'm not much of a person to wear lashes personally, but if I was, I definitely check this out. It is a Black trans-owned brand, and that is something we support on my channel. Louise. We talked about Louise in the past makeup releases video, and there's more. There's actually a whole collection called Dishin the Dirt, and I really want to focus on the Sandwich Stages palette. And they're mini palettes that all come together, and I love the colors in these palettes. I don't know how I feel about minis, but also I do see the argument of not having a large palette. Milk has a Pride edition of their Kush lip balm, and it has a rainbow sparkle, and I do love me some sparkle on my lips. Natasha Denona is coming out with a bronze collection, and there is a bronze palette, and I just love how deep all of the metallic bronze shades are, and it's definitely something that I would wear on a daily basis, so that really caught my eye. Maybelline coffee lipsticks have been spotted. They are coffee scented, and if you know anything about being in college, coffee is a staple. They come in two formulas, matte and satin, and so you can choose which one you desire. I don't know if I'm gonna say this right, but Dulzura Cosmetics Candy Fuel eyeshadow palette is screaming color. I love the swatches and the pastel liners. Come on. There's also some neon liners as well, but the pastel ones really intrigued me. Lights Lacquer by Kathleen Lights here on YouTube is coming out with her summer collection. These are vibrant shades, but not so much neon, so if you're too afraid to wear neon on your nails, perfect. Besame Cosmetics is collaborating with ILoveLucy, and the packaging looks very timeless, oldie, and matted down gold packaging. It's very classic, and what caught my eye was how deep and cool tone the eyeshadow palette is, so I definitely have my eye out for that. And finally, KENDALL by Kylie Cosmetics. When I saw the eyeshadow palette, I definitely had the same reaction that I always do with Kylie Cosmetics. It's like, it's very cute, but too light for my skin tone, of course. The packaging is, of course, model photos, so I don't know. I didn't feel like this was anything new for Kylie Cosmetics. I guess the spring shades to the right of the eyeshadow palette kind of sort of intrigued me, but I would be grasping at straws at that point. Sorry. I think that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know what is on my eyeballs and my lips, super exciting. Hint, hint, it may or may not be a makeup cosmetics brand that I am working with. And there may or may not be a coupon code involved. Saving money. Till the next video. See ya.